How to remove watermark from video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Video Watermark application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the video button to begin. From here, select the video you wish to edit and tap on Choose to import it. The app will then prepare the video for editing. A resizable box will appear over your video. Drag and adjust this box to perfectly cover the watermark you want to remove. After that, tap on the Remove button at the bottom. You can now view the preview of the final video without the watermark. Finally, tap on Save in the bottom left corner. Following these steps, you can easily remove a watermark from any video on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.